Hey, it's Linda here again. I'm talking about the smart slides and the components of those smart slides. Today I want to talk to you about the teacher-made GIF file. So you'll notice that this is just an example. It's example 3 of the slide deck, and I want to bring your attention to the Bitmoji right here. So when you see a Bitmoji, if you click on this Bitmoji, what will happen is I'm asking my students to reflect over y equals x, and sometimes students need help getting started. So this is a way to sort of help them find a way to get help. So what happens is they click on the GIF file, and without me doing anything, the GIF is an animated, it's an animation that shows them step by step in color exactly how to do the problem. And so you'll notice that I'm telling them what the rule is and exactly how to change each of the coordinates. And so what happens is after the teacher time, my students get to move through the smart slides, and when they get to this problem, if they need help, there's a help button in the form of the Bitmoji. So again, and they can stop this if they want to and take it in, or they can just let it play several times and go step by step through the GIF file. This is very effective for students who don't want to ask a question, but they want to be able to understand and look at how to solve the problem. Now, in the rules for the smart slides are they do actually have to go ahead and put the answer in that slide so that they get accustomed to understanding the format of the answer. So in every one of the smart slides, there is a teacher-made GIF just like this that goes through a problem. And the other thing that I do sometimes is after I've finished with the teacher time on the smart board, I actually display this on the smart board, because many times in math, when a student says, oh, what's the next step, they can view this and they know exactly how to do that. So I just wanted to take a minute and show you another component, the teacher-made GIFs.